I'm going to be showing you how to do a keyframe on CapCut for your zoom in and zoom out effect. And also, mind you, it is also applicable on the CapCut on your phone. So the first thing we'll do, let's go to CapCut and just pick up any. Let's just look for any picture, and I would be picking. Okay, let's say I want to use something like this. Let's just pick any random picture. Let's pick something like this. And all right. So the pictures are loaded. The first thing I do, I'll just drop it. Let me zoom this. All right. So this is the picture, as you can see. When I play it, it goes like this.
In 1976,
let's just forget about the sound effect. All we focus on now is the zoom effect that it gives. So I'll be taking the sound down a little bit. And what you do is you come to this point, and from the beginning of the picture, you add a keyframe. And how can you add a keyframe? You add a keyframe by clicking on the picture, then going up to this point, and you add a keyframe like this. So we've added a keyframe in the beginning of the picture. Now I'm going to push it to the point towards the end, like this, and add another keyframe. Now after I'm done adding another keyframe, I'm going to increase the scale I want the zoom to get to. So here I've increased the scale, and then I can just come to the point, to the front, and when I play it, it gives you something like this. It gives you something like this. And also mind, you can also change the way you want the zoom in to be. Let's use another picture. I drop this picture here. I've extended a little bit from the beginning like we did. You add a keyframe. After you're done adding a keyframe, you push towards the end and you add another keyframe. And what you do is you zoom, you come to scale and increase the scale a little bit, and you can just zoom to us something like this, or just come to us this point, as you can see, and you play it. And this is how you use keyframes on CapCut. And also mind you, the same is applicable to the CapCut mobile. Thank you.